अच्छा, ये हमारे पास कन्वर्जन्स हैं, लाइक हाउ यू विल कन्वर्ट मीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर. Okay, so first we will need to understand these conversions. Then after this we will start the areas and perimeter. Okay, so convergence में हमने क्या करना है?
Okay,
So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters?
1 meter is equals to, wait, 100.
Okay, 1 meter square will be equal to how many centimeter?
Square?
1 meter,
100 square?
yeah, 100 square. So that will be equal to,
1 minute. Mm, yeah, 10,000.
yes. Acha, if you want to do to convert this meter square into centimeter square, so इसको आपने इस तरह करना है कि 4 meter square times, यहाँ पे मैं मीटर लिख लूँ या सेंटीमीटर.
100,
So
100 square.
your 1 meter square is equal to
10,000.
10,000
40,000 answer.
centimeter square. So this meter square will cancel out by this meter square, so you will get 40,000 meter centimeter square. This will be the final answer. आपने यही मेथड को फॉलो करना है. ओके, जो मैं मेथड यूज़ कर रहा हूँ आपने इसी मेथड को फॉलो करना है,
Okay.
क्योंकि इस मेथड में आप से मिस्टेक्स नहीं होंगे. लाइक okay, so this will be 8,000 centimeter cube will be equal to 8,000 milliliter.
8 liters is the final answer.
Yes, let me check it. So 8,000 centimeter cube will be equal to 8,000 milliliter. Now I have a relation that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So मुझे milliliter नीचे चाहिए. So this will be 1 liter will be equal to 1000 milliliter. So this milliliter will cancel by this ml, and these 3 zero will cancel by these 3 zero. 8 times 1 is equal to 8l. Good.
448,625. 448,625.
In milliliter. Sorry, meter square.
Okay, wait. Meter square. Meter square. 100 times 100 is 10,001. 44.8625.
Okay, part B is the floor cost $56 per square meter. It is only sold in whole number of square meter. How much does Tina pay to buy flooring? अच्छा, इसको आप इस तरह भी कर सकते हो कि $56 per meter square. We need to find this. Now we have area. Okay, आपके पास area क्या है कि 44.8 meter square is the area. This is meter square, and in this case meter square is in the denominator. So if you multiply this number 0.8 meter square, so this meter square will cancel out by this meter square. So if you multiply these two numbers, you will get the unit and dollar. Okay, so this will be the amount which you will get, and that will be the final answer. Question number 5.
Yeah. 195 times 74, right?
Yes.
14,430.
This will be the area.
Yeah.
Okay, so he is going to give it 2 layers of paint on each side. Doors के कितने sides होते हैं?
What? 4.
4
4.
sides.
Oh, 2.
Okay, so this is the
Yeah.
area of one layer of paint. For two layer of paint, this area will be equal to, इसको क्या करना है?
Square.
Why square? Square
You
भी,
said for 2 layers of paint.
या टू लेयर्स ऑफ पेंट,
So,
तो इसको आपने डबल करना है, like multiply 2 with these numbers.
okay.
इसके साथ सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर लिख लिया करो.
Okay. 28,860.
उसके साथ 2 को दोबारा मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, बिकॉज डोर्स में कितने साइड्स होते हैं. दिस इज योर डोर. सो एक तो ये फ्रंट साइड हो गया, एक बैक साइड भी होगा, तो फ्रंट साइड पे भी 2 लेयर्स, बैक साइड पे भी 2 लेयर्स. ऑन ईच साइड. ओके, सो ये आपके जो आंसर आ जाए उसके साथ 2 को दोबारा मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ वन साइड.
Okay.
So if you multiply this by 4, you will get,
57,720.
okay, this is in centimeter cube, convert this in meter cube. So the final answer will be equal to
Square.
square.
3.
Five point seven meter square will come from these numbers. Okay, 1/10 of pen covers 5 meter square. Okay, so how many tens of pen does I need to buy? कितने? Okay, now this is the total area 5.7 meter square. So कितने चाहिए होंगे आपको पेंट? 1/10 of paint covered 5 meter square.
2 tins.
Yes, approximately 2 tens. Okay,
Okay.
approximately. Question number 6. Read this question, then understand this question, then solve this question.
I need to convert centimeters to liters.
Yes.
Or liters to centimeters. Yeah, I think I have to convert liters to centimeters. There are 3 values, so that means it's centimeter cube.
Yes, because you only have one relation between centimeter cube and liter, and that is 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. 1 liter, sorry.
First, I need to multiply all of them. 75, 45, and 35. 118,125. 118,125. 118,125.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I can't see the screen. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, screen just got back. 118,125. Okay, okay, so now I need to get this to this amount.
वही रिलेशन यूज कर लो, वो रिलेशन मैं आपके लिए लिख लेता हूँ, लेकिन आप यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस रिलेशन. आपको याद होने चाहिए ये रिलेशन.
I know, but like I don't remember how I see how many jugs it takes to fill the fish tank.
Okay. इसको आपने कन्वर्ट कर लिया सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में. ओके, सो अब आपने क्या करना है, हाउ मेनी फुल जग ऑफ वाटर डज इट टेक टू फिल द, ये क्या लिखा है आपने, अच्छा, तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू दिस अमाउंट.
fish tank.
Fish tank area, total area of fish tank is this much. So let's say the total amount of jug is
Yeah.
u times one jug में कितना वाटर आता है, that is 1750. Got it?
Okay.
How many full jug of water does it take to fill the tank? So you need to find u. So u के लिए क्या करना है, you will divide this by 1750 divided by 1750. So this will be cancelled by this. Your u will be equal to that amount divided by 1750. So 67.5. So that's
118,125 divided by.
1750.
Okay, wait. 1750. 67.5.
67.5 तो इस तरह नहीं हो सकता कि हाफ जग आपने डालने हैं, बस आपने कहना है कि 68 जग्स आपने डालने हैं.